See what happens. Unfortunately, you can't see where my finger is, i.e. the cursor, like in my old videos. But to make this as quick as I can, while I go through whatever I gotta go through here, what I wanted to do was make a quick video on mods. A few of the, now they're called game changers. Back when I did videos, they didn't exactly. I think they just started that program. But whatever, semantics. A couple of the game changers have done videos. One gentleman did a video early on in the mod introduction to try and give us an idea of how these silly things work. And most recently, that person was Warrior. So look him up if I can. I'll link him below. But most recently, Mobile Gamer did a video that for some reason resonated with me better in terms of my understanding of how these mods work, with regard to what to keep, what to sell, and how to judge whether something's worthy of an upgrade. Because gone are the days of the tournaments where we would get a lot of chances at the god mods and stuff like that. So now you basically have to pray to the RNG gods and hope you get lucky. So let's try for some potency. I'm hopefully gonna get a couple drops here that will help illustrate, kind of piggyback really on Mobile Gamer's video. So we got a bunch of different colors, no gold, but the idea here is any of these, unless they're speed, so this is any of the white ones, unless they're an arrow with speed primary, you throw that away. You sell it, you do whatever you want with it. Do not throw credits at it. It is not going to doing you any good. And here's why. There's 4 secondary stats on a gold mod, right? Or any mod that you make gold or get that's gold. The progression is as follows. It goes green. See this one? That's a keeper. I don't care what the secondaries are. I don't think you're ever going to get speed on speed. I could be wrong on that one. If I am, correct me down below. Because I actually don't know the answer to that. But that one, definitely going to keep that one for sure. So green, but point is though, green has 1 secondary stat. Blue has 2, and this has speed. So we'll use that. And purple has 3, and that has the speed, so we'll use that as an example. Unfortunately, there's no gold here. And then gold, though, after purple, you have the 4th. So what happens, so we'll use these 3 to illustrate what goes on in terms of the upgrade process. And there's another speed. All right, so let's go into the mods. It doesn't matter who you click on. You just gotta narrow it down for the sake of the video, for potency. And look for the ones, we didn't get any gold, but we got these guys. So let's start with the green. Now, this one I would normally take to 15 straight off the bat. It wouldn't matter. But I'm going to illustrate the 3, 6, 9, 12 rule. And this is what Mobile Gamer helped me to understand better, I guess. Is that when you upgrade, right, you have 1 secondary stat. So when you upgrade to 3, it's only that level 3 is going to affect the first secondary stat. Say 44. After that, on a green, so if you even a green one with speed beyond, I would say don't bother taking it beyond 3, if at all, because when you go to 6, it's going to just reveal the second And then when you go to 9, it's going to reveal the 3rd. And then when you go to 12, it reveals the 4th, turning it into a gold. And then after 12, the only thing that you get from 12 to 15 is a boost on the primary. So in this case, 30 speed. Like I said earlier, when you get a speed mod, that's an arrow, primary speed. It doesn't matter what it is, you're pushing at the 30 and going home. So let's check out the other ones real quick. All right. So the next one to look at would be blue. See that one here, right? This one would get sold right away because unless I got money to burn, which I don't, or I don't want to. I mean, 21 million credits, but no, that's not the point of this video. So you sell that one. This one, though, because I have 4 speed, I have 2 chances on the 3 and the 6 to get that speed up. So it's worthwhile to try. So we'll go to 3. Nope, got critical. So now I only have 1 more chance at it. Ooh, don't go all the way over there. 6, critical again. So now watch. Critical chance and speed, the 2 secondaries are not going to change. So I go to 9. See, not going to change because all it's doing is revealing the next 2. Now the last, tenacity. So now if I take this just for the sake of the video to 15, it's only going to push the primary. It doesn't touch any of the speed, so that was a waste. Boo. All right, now the purple. Now we have 3 chances at raising that speed. So you go to 3, and of course I get tenacity. All right, try 6. Ooh, okay, we got some speed. Now we got 1 more chance at speed at 9. And I got tenacity. So now we're done. Because when I go to 12, it's just going to reveal the final, the 4th and final. And that's it. But speed on 7, that's not too bad. That could be used. I don't know if I have any golds lying around that I can illustrate what I was talking about. I mean, I think you get the idea at this point. Let's see what these have. See, both of these, even though they're gold, no speed on these, they're getting sold off. Sold off, sold off, sold. That's the speed, that's one I just did. Sold, sold. All right, so no love on a gold. So let's just go for this one more time. Do it for the YouTube. Come on, give me a gold. All right, we got a gold. Now let's see. There's the speed. Okie dokie. All right, so let's see. Get over here. Let's see what we can do here. All right, let's go back to mods. Doesn't matter what. Critical chance. Is that what I did? Yeah, there you go. As you can see, I gotta sell some of these guys. All right, so now I'm gonna illustrate how if you get a gold, although you should already probably know how this works at this point, hopefully, you got 4 chances for this. I wish you could see where my fingers, that came out wrong. I wish you could see my cursor. I'm trying to point at the speed here. Speed is number 5. So that has 4 chances to go up. At 3, no. At 6, no. 2 more, 9, no. You're killing me with this. No. And then, what the hell, who cares? So, speed didn't get touched. So, it's still very much a gamble. And that is a drag. It really is. We need to bring those tournaments back so I can hack